Good morning. Welcome to Citibank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need to open a new bank account. Is this the right place?
Yes, this is perfect. I can help you with that. My name is Mike. I work here as a customer service representative.
Nice to meet you, Mike. I'm Sarah. I just moved to this city last week.
Welcome to our city, Sarah. I hope you like it here. Let me show you to my desk so we can talk about your new account. Would you like some water or coffee?
Water would be nice. Thank you.
Here you go. So, tell me about the type of account you want to open.
I'm not sure. I need something simple. I want to save money and pay my bills.
That sounds like you need a checking account and maybe a savings account too. Do you have a job here?
Yes, I start work next Monday. I work at the hospital as a nurse.
That's a great job. We have special accounts for healthcare workers. You can get lower fees.
Really? That sounds good. What do I need to do?
First, I need to see some documents. Do you have your ID card and proof of address?
I have my driver's license, but I don't have bills yet. I just moved here.
No problem. Do you have a rental agreement or something from your new address?
Yes, I have the rental contract. Is that okay?
Perfect. That works great. Can I see both documents, please?
Here they are. The rental contract is very long. Do you need to read all of it?
No, I just need to see your name and address. This looks good. Everything is in order.
Great. So what happens next?
I'll fill out some forms on my computer, then you sign them. It takes about 15 minutes.
That's fast. I thought it would take hours.
We try to make it easy for our customers. While I work, you can ask me any questions.
Okay. What about the fees? How much do I need to pay?
For healthcare workers, the checking account has no monthly fee. You just need to put in $50 to start.
That's good. What about the savings account?
The savings account is also free if you keep at least $100 in it.
I can do that. Will I get a debit card today?
Yes, I can give you a temporary card right now. Your permanent card will come in the mail in 5 days.
Perfect. Can I use the temporary card everywhere?
Yes, you can use it at stores, ATMs, and online. It works just like the permanent card.
That's helpful. What about online banking?
We have a great app for your phone. You can check your money, pay bills, and transfer money.
I like using apps. Is it safe?
Very safe. We use strong security. You get a special code on your phone when you log in.
That sounds secure. Can you show me how to use it?
Of course. After we finish the account, I'll help you download the app.
Thank you. You're very helpful. Is there anything else I need to know?
Let me ask you some questions for the computer. What's your phone number?
It's 555-0123. That's my cell phone.
Good. And your email address?
It's sarah.johnson@gmail.com.
Perfect. Do you have any other bank account?
Yes, I have an account at my old bank, but I want to close it and move everything here.
We can help you with that too. We have a service that moves all your automatic payments.
Really? That would save me a lot of work. How does it work?
We contact your old bank and move your direct deposit and automatic bill payments. It's free.
That's amazing. Yes, please do that. I have my salary and 3 bills that pay automatically.
Great. I'll give you a form to fill out later. First, let's finish your new account.
Okay, how much money should I put in today?
You said you want both accounts, so $50 for checking and $100 for savings.
So $150 total.
Yes, that's right. You can pay with cash or a check from your old bank.
I have cash. Is that okay?
Cash is perfect. I'll count it and give you a receipt.
Here's the money. Are we almost done?
Yes, very close. I just need you to sign these 3 papers.
What are these papers for?
This one opens your checking account, this one opens your savings account, and this one is for your debit card.
Okay. Should I read them all?
You can if you want. They explain the rules for your accounts. The important things are no fees, and you can use any ATM.
Any ATM? Even ones from other banks?
Yes, we don't charge fees for using other ATMs, but the other bank might charge you.
I understand. I'll try to use your bank's ATMs when I can.
That's smart. We have ATMs all over the city. There's one right outside this building.
Good to know. Can I sign these papers now?
Yes, please sign here, here, and here. Just your normal signature.
Done. What happens now?
Now, I'll process everything in the computer. Here's your temporary debit card and your PIN number.
Great. When will I get my first bank statement?
You'll get it at the end of the month, but you can see everything on the app anytime.
Perfect. Can you help me set up the app now?
Of course. Do you have your phone with you?
Yes, here it is. What do I do first?
Go to the App Store and search for Citibank Mobile.
I found it. Should I download it?
Yes, click Download. It will take a minute.
Okay, it's downloading now. This is exciting. My first account in the new city.
We're happy to have you as a customer. Are you enjoying the city so far?
Yes, everyone is very friendly. The hospital seems nice too. I start orientation on Monday.
That's great. If you need anything else, just come back and ask for me.
Thank you, Mike. The app finished downloading. What's next?
Open the app and click on Sign Up. Then enter your account number.
Where do I find my account number?
It's on your temporary debit card. See these numbers here?
Yes, I see them. There are so many numbers.
Use the long number in the middle. That's your account number.
Okay, I typed it in. Now it wants my personal information.
Put in your name, address, and phone number, the same information you gave me today.
Done. Now it wants me to create a password.
Make it strong. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use your birthday or address.
I made one. It says password strong in green.
Perfect. Now you can log in and see your accounts.
Wow! I can see both accounts. The checking account has $50 and the savings has $100.
That's right. You can also see your transaction history, even though you just opened the accounts.
This is so cool. Can I transfer money between accounts?
Yes, click on Transfer Money and choose which accounts.
I want to move $10 from checking to savings.
Go ahead and try it. It's good practice.
I did it! The money moved immediately. This is very convenient.
Great job. You're learning fast. Is there anything else you want to know?
Yes. What if I lose my debit card?
Call the number on the back of the card immediately. We'll cancel it and send you a new one.
Good to know. What if I forget my PIN number?
You can change it at any ATM or call customer service. The number is in the app too.
This is all very helpful. I think I'm ready to go.
Wait, don't forget about moving your accounts from your old bank. Here's the form.
Right, I almost forgot. This form looks complicated.
It's easier than it looks. Just write your old bank's name and your account number there.
I'll fill it out at home and bring it back tomorrow.
Perfect. Or you can email it to me. My email is on my business card.
That's even better. Here's my email again in case you need to contact me.
Thank you, Sarah. I think we're all finished. You're officially a Citibank customer now.
Thank you so much, Mike. You made this very easy and pleasant.
You're welcome. If you have any problems or questions, just call or come back.
I will. Have a great day.
You too, Sarah. Welcome to Citibank, and welcome to our city.
Thank you again. See you soon.
See you later, Sarah. Good luck with your new job.